Hey developers, I hope you're doing good. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vite to create a React application. So you might know that create React application is deprecated and it's no longer maintained. So the best alternative is using Vite to create a React application. So before we start, I just want to make sure you have already installed Node.js. So just go to nodejs.org and download whatever the LTS version is. So after you have installed Node.js, you have to make sure it's working fine in your system. So go to any directory in your system and write cmd here and press enter. So after you press enter, you will see Windows terminal like this. Let me zoom in. So here you have to write node-v. So a version name will pop up here and it's telling that the node version 20 is installed and it's working fine. So now let's go to the documentation. Just go to vite.dev and click on getting started. So here you have to scroll down and find this command npm create vite at latest. So copy this command and go to your terminal again and paste this command. So after you press enter, it's going to ask a couple of questions. So the first question is, what is going to be the project name? So let me add first project and press enter. So after you press enter, it's going to ask what kind of framework you are going to use. So we are going to use React and press enter after selecting React. Now it's going to ask, are you going to use TypeScript or not? So I prefer using TypeScript, so I'm going to use TypeScript with SWC. So SWC is Speedy Web Compiler. If you want to read more about Speedy Web Compiler, you can go to this website swc.rs. It's Speedy Web Compiler and it's just an alternative to Babel and it's 20x faster than the Babel. So after selecting TypeScript and SWC, I will press enter. Now it says you have to go to the first project directory by using cd first project, and here you have to run npm install, npm space install, and it's going to install all the modules required to run this application. So let the installation finish, we will continue. So after all the modules, all the packages are installed, you will see a message something like this. Now what you can do, you can open this project in VS Code. So type code space dot and here your VS Code. So as you can see, we have node module, we have public folder and we have source folder, and we also have vite.config.js. Here you can add any configuration you need. So now go to your terminal again and let me add CLS to clear screen. And now here I will add npm space run space dev. So after I press enter, it will start the project, and now we have to go to HTTPS 5137 port. Copy this and go to your browser, and here I'm going to paste that. So if I press enter, so you can see our project is working fine, and here is Vite plus React, and here is a little demo. Click on count and it's working fine. So this is it for today, and I hope you have learned a lot in this video. This is how you can use Vite to create a React application. So it's really simple. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can install Tailwind CSS in this project.